Stewy and Emery are in Civitavecchia, Italy today, embarking on the beautiful Norwegian Prima for 9 days sailing to Barcelona. Our ports of call are Naples, Cagliari, Sardinia, Livorno in Tuscany, Italy, Cannes, Marseille, Palma de Mallorca, Ibiza, and ending in Barcelona, Spain. As we like to do, we take shore excursions to see the many sites of interest in the various destinations. Joining us on this cruise are Emery's sister Robin and her husband Mark, and it's Robin and Mark's first cruise. After settling into our rooms, it was time to set sail, and the welcome aboard party was in full swing. We explored the ship, ate a wonderful dinner in the buffet, and called it a night. Emery and I would like to thank you so much for clicking the like button and the subscribe button. It's nice to know that our relaxed touring style is appreciated by you.
It's very early in the morning right now. We are just now pulling into Naples. It's probably about 6 in the morning, and we are waiting for the buffet to open. We have a 7:45 shore excursion.
We just pulled into the port of Naples, Italy, getting ready to go on our shore excursion to Pompeii.
I don't know if that's one of the volcanoes sitting out there.
I know,
This way.
We gotta go.
We gotta go.
Right here.
Okay. We got the magic golden tickets.
Today was a rainy, cold day, but that didn't stop us from visiting Pompeii, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. What a remarkable place and a sobering experience. Pompeii was engulfed by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD and is the only active volcano on mainland Europe. Mount Vesuvius is one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world due to its proximity to the city of Naples, which is Italy's largest city.
Mine's not working.
Oh, is that Vesuvius right there?
That's Vesuvius in the background, and she's saying that during around 70 AD, when the Romans were living here, they didn't realize it was a volcano. It was much more rounded, had a flat top on it, there was vegetation on it, and they weren't aware of it. There were gladiators that lived in here in this portico, and along with some animals, and they found something like 18 skeletons in here, including the skeleton of a child. And above it, there was a second floor that had the gladiator that trained the other gladiators. And there's a small theater over here where they perform.
Over on the other side.
You can see an amphitheater. To be continued.
To be continued.
That was. You're
really good,
good.
Mark.
You'd be a good tour guide.
Yeah, you would.
Yes, you are, because you get all the
The synopsis was perfect.
All right, Mark is our star.
All right, here we are. This is the small theater at Pompeii. It holds approximately 1,000 people, and it was built in about 70 BC, before Christ. So now we're in the Grand Theater, the big theater. This theater was built on the surrounding hillsides area of cloth that would come over and protect the people from the sun, because they would have programs in the daytime.
What I noticed down there were like tracks worn into the rocks. Those are from the carts.
They had a public restroom system here that did have private sewers, but the rest of the sewer system was actually them using their streets, repurposing them to be sewers also. So they were running with water most of the time, as well as being used for transportation. All of the streets, the sidewalks, are built up above the street level to keep the affluent in the proper place. And then for the people that would be walking, they would put some of these blocks out here so they could walk across the block. Yeah.
So Pompeii is really big. I think they said it was 63 hectares or acres.
Kind of go
Well,
this
he
way
said don't
forward.
cross this road,
Yeah.
and that's that road right there.
Let's just go this way.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Holy smokes. Do you think they could have ever envisioned a giant crane like that? What a contrast picture that is. That's a great picture. Wow. This is on market day. This must have been such an exciting place to come for everybody, huh?
After we returned home from our cruise, we watched the movie Pompeii. It featured Kit Harington, known for his role as Jon Snow in the TV series Game of Thrones. After returning to Naples, we were hungry and wanted to have some Margherita Pizza in the city where it was invented. As the home of pizza, Naples has its very own style, called Neapolitan pizza.
So we are at the Castel Nuovo in Naples, Italy, near the port. This place was recommended to us to come and try some of the Margherita pizza, which was invented here. It was invented for Princess Margherita. Now, Margherita pizza is pomodoro sauce, mozzarella cheese, and some basil. So we will have that and try that here. And we're also having some
Baby beers for the girls.
baby beers.
Big boy beers right here. Okay, and what do we say in Italy?
Salute. Margherita pizza is the colors of the Italian flag and got the seal of approval from Queen Margherita. It's quite delicious.
We topped off our meal with Tableside Tiramisu. What an authentic treat.
Enjoy, guys. So this is the tiramisu the guy just made, and we're gonna try it out.
Coffee beans.
Is it oishi? Oh.
Delicious.
This is the cruise terminal in Naples. Very nice. We just came out of a driving rain, and I'm filming with the Olympus OM1 right now that was completely soaked right now and still dripping and works perfectly. Nice magnet assortment. They're lemons. Those are really cool. Should we get one?
These little soaps smell like lemons. They smell so good.
They do smell really good. Stewy, what did you get? You got yourself a motorcycle jacket. Look at
Italian leather jacket from Naples. It's gorgeous. That soft leather.
Yeah, and we had a lot of help from you.
Louisa.
Louisa helped us a lot. Here, Louisa.
Oh, thank you very much.
Can we put you on? You okay with being on YouTube?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
you
we're
can
gonna
do
put
it.
this. So yeah. Yay! Her expertise was perfect.
Also the owner of the
There he is.
is Mr. Pucce. He's Puccio Gennaro, 45 years and he produces leather jacket in Italy. Thank
Wonderful.
you for supporting us.
Yeah.
In the evening, we had drinks in the observation lounge on deck 17. Robin and Mark had their photos taken, which can be viewed and purchased anytime in the photo gallery on board. Dinner in the Commodore room, and a nightcap in the Belvedere bar.